Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little update on the eBay business, and I'm just going to be showing you guys some inventory that I received recently. So the biggest tip that I could give to very new eBay resellers is to start mentioning it to people. Just if people ask what you're up to, just be like, oh, I'm starting to sell a couple of things on eBay. You know, if there's anything you don't need, feel free to give it to me before you give it to Goodwill. And once you start mentioning that you're selling things on eBay, a bunch of people will ask you questions like, how do you know what will sell on eBay? And I've had some people offer to sell me a couple of things if I wanted to buy it off of them and sell it on eBay. But everything that I'm going to show you guys today is something that I received for free. So let me show you guys what I received and am going to be selling on eBay. So one of the things I received is this Gameboy Color. Now, I did hear that the Gameboy Color actually is broken, so I'm going to be selling it as parts. And let's look up real quick to see how much this Gameboy Color actually could sell for as a broken console. So taking a look at the broken Gameboy Colors, I'm finding that they're selling around the range of $20, and some people are including shipping, some people are offering free shipping. So I'll probably sell this for 20 bucks and I'll have the buyer paying shipping. So I'll list that today. Another thing I received is a PSP. So I haven't seen these in so long. It's the PlayStation Portable. Now, I used to have one back in the day, and wow, this is gonna bring back memories. And as you can see, it's very slim. You can see the reflection off of the camera. So this is going to be a really interesting thing to sell, and I believe they had games for it as well. So in addition to the PSP, they also gave me this stack of PlayStation Portable games. So I'm obviously going to be listing this as a bundle, but let's see how much the PlayStation Portable itself will sell for. So just the PSP itself is looking like it's selling for around $70 to $100. Now, I'm not too sure what this bundle is going to entail. I'm going to look over each individual game and see if I could just sell one of these games at an amount that's larger than $10, but we'll see. Any game that sells individually for over $10, I'll probably list by itself, and then everything that's selling for under $10, I'll probably include in the bundle. But yeah, people are still buying even as of today. One just sold today. So this is going to be a very awesome thing to sell, and I'm very much looking forward to testing this and making sure it works. And it looks like they included the charging cables and everything that I'm going to need with it. So that's going to be pretty awesome. Now, the person that gave me this particular bundle of items is actually in the process of moving, and they just didn't have time to sell it, and they're just requesting, like, you know, a cut of the profits. So obviously I'm going to split the profits with this person, and either way, going to make a decent amount of money just for selling this for them. So it's going to be pretty awesome. Another thing that was included in the bag is looks like there's 4 Game Boy Color games and 1 Game Boy Advance game that could be potentially included with the Game Boy Color. However, I am seeing Super Mario Deluxe, so I'm going to have to look up to see how much that is selling by itself. Okay, Super Mario Deluxe looks like it's selling for around $10 to $15, depending if you're offering free shipping. So I might just sell that individually and see what I can do with the rest of the other games that are in here. So sweet stuff. Hey, this is Spath from the future. Now, as I'm editing this video, I noticed that I've had a little bit of lighting issues, focus issues, and audio issues. I think the audio issues is because I had my phone or these electronics too close to the microphone, and it was just generating some feedback. So I think this is going to be the last time that occurs in this next clip, but it goes away pretty quick, and I apologize. Back to the video. And honestly, later on down the road, if I find out that just splitting the profits is really successful for this business, I might just tell people, hey, if you want me to sell something for you on eBay, we could split the profits right down the middle, and that's going to be how I source items. I don't have to pay for it. I could just store the items in the eBay space and just make money that way. So that's something to think about. All right, next bag. So next things here is going to be pretty much a lot of Xbox 360 games. So I'm seeing already like Borderlands, Halo, Assassin's Creed. Now, Xbox 360 games have lost its value, so I might just do bundles of these, but we'll see what happens. Let's see here. We have Call of Duty 4 and Modern Warfare 3. Again, Halo 4, Modern Warfare 2. Now, I'm not going to bore you guys and just look up every single individual item, but you'll be seeing these things sell within the next couple weeks. Midnight Club, another Call of Duty Ghost. I might just do a bundle of all the Call of Duty games and all the Halo games, Sniper Ghost Warrior, and then a bundle of 360 games that aren't included in like a series of games. For example, the Call of Duty series, the Halo series, another Borderlands. Oh, so we have an Xbox One game here, Destiny. Now I know Destiny 2 is currently out, and I do believe at this point Destiny is free to play, so I'm not too sure how well this is going to do. Also have Halo, the Master Chief Collection, FIFA. So sports games really do not sell well, I've noticed. Like on eBay, there's a bunch of them at Goodwill, and Wii Fit. Like I've seen so many Wii Fits during my time sourcing, it's just ridiculous. Ooh, Halo 3 ODST, good memories there. Okay, so Grand Theft Auto 5. This is actually going to do well, I believe. Let me just look this up just to see what the price is at currently. All right, Xbox One, Grand Theft Auto 5, pre-owned. It's looking like it's selling around $8 to $10, but not as good as I thought it was going to be, but it's still profit. So in addition to those Xbox 360 / Xbox One games, we have this backpack here. Now it looks like this is going to include the OG Xbox 360 here and all of its cables. So I'm going to have to sell this, just by itself. Pretty cool to see like an OG Xbox 360, because I have the Xbox 360 Slim and haven't seen this model of the Xbox 360 in quite a decent while here. So currently I'm still waiting for my period of time on this one auction site. I do believe there was a 30-day waiting period before I was able to actually bid on any of the auctions on the site. So I'm going to check in on that website to see if I can start sourcing from that particular website. And at this point, I go to Goodwill maybe once every week or 2 weeks. The Goodwill in my area is really awful, and there's rarely any good donations at the Goodwills that are worth me flipping, so that's why the eBay series has run a little bit slow. In addition to, we've been making some home improvements on the house. That's been taking a lot of time, but I'm not giving up on the eBay business. It's just kind of taking the back burner of things right now as I try to prioritize other things that are more urgent. So I originally had a different ending to this video and realized I just went on a huge rant about something that isn't really related to the eBay business. So ultimately, I'm going to be trying to upload a bunch of different types of content. Now, the eBay series is always going to be going, and I'm going to label all eBay related videos in the title, so you guys will definitely know when I have any updates on the eBay business. But like I mentioned before, I don't want to specifically niche down my channel just around eBay related things, because ultimately this channel is all about different ways that you can make and save money. So I just want to try out a bunch of different things, and it's always a good idea to have multiple streams of income. And I'm going to have a series relating to YouTube videos and how you could slowly start to make a full-time income off of different revenue streams that is built around your YouTube channel. So that's coming in the near future, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up so you're not just thrown off wow, what is he doing, just uploading review videos and tutorial based videos. Regardless, as long as I'm selling anything on eBay, my eBay videos will continue. So that's the rant in a much more shorter version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.